Hello and welcome back to our Arabic learning series. This is part 4, where we'll learn about simple sentences and action words. Today's lesson will help you start building your own sentences in Arabic. Let's begin this exciting journey of making complete sentences. A sentence tells us something complete. It gives us a full idea or thought. In Arabic, the word order can be different from English. For example, in English we say, Sarah eats an apple. But Arabic has its own special way of arranging words. Let's see how Arabic sentences work. The first type is called a nominal sentence or al-jumla al-ismiyya in Arabic. This sentence starts with a noun, which means the subject comes first. Look at this example.
البيت جميل.
Which means the house is beautiful. Here,
البيت
means house and is our subject, while Jameel means beautiful and tells us about the house. The second type is a verbal sentence or jumla fa'liya. This sentence starts with a verb, so the action comes first. Here's our example.
كتب الولد الدرس.
Meaning, the boy wrote the lesson. We have
كتب
which means wrote, that's our verb. Then
الولد
means the boy, our subject. And
الدرس
means the lesson, that's our object. Now let's learn some useful action words called
أفعال.
in Arabic. First, yaktubu, he writes. Next,
يقرأ.
he reads. Then, yakulu, he eats. And finally,
يلعب.
he plays. These verbs will help you create many different sentences. Now it's time to build your own sentence. Follow this template. Verb plus subject plus object. Let's try this example.
يلعب سامي بالكرة.
This means Sami plays with the ball. See how we started with the verb, plays, then the subject, Sami, and finally the object, with the ball. Now you try making your own sentence using the verbs we learned. Great work! You've learned so much today. You now know about nominal sentences that start with nouns and verbal sentences that start with verbs. You've also learned common action words to help build sentences. Keep practicing making sentences with these patterns, and soon you'll be speaking Arabic confidently. Goodbye, and see you in our next lesson.